Hi, I'm Joe Boyce, McMaster University, and today we're carrying out a ground penetrating radar survey on the Shickluna site. So the system we're looking at here is a ground penetrating radar unit, and the way this technology works is it produces a pulse of high frequency radio waves which are propagated down into the ground, and wherever they hit a boundary in the subsurface, for example a stratigraphic layer within the ground, some energy is reflected back, and that's recorded by the system. So ground penetrating radar is a technology that's used very widely in archaeology, usually prior to doing excavation in order to map out the location of buried structures. And those structures could be things like foundation work, okay, it might actually be masonry, the location of structures underground, or it could actually be cultural material. So for example, the presence of pottery. In this case, we're hoping buried ship timbers, right? Because they have a electrical contrast with the ground, can produce a reflection. So that's actually what we're hoping to map today, is the layout, potentially the harbor basin. And it would be really great if we could also see the buried remains of the James Norris, which is a shipwreck we think is buried somewhere on the site. So today we're going to be collecting lines at 1 meter spacing across the entire area, and then once we collect the radar data, we then process it into a series of maps that actually show us time slices under the ground. Right? We call these subsurface time slices. By doing that across the entire area, what we hope to get out of this is a map of the harbor structures, right? Potentially where there are buildings, maybe warehouses on the docks next to the basin, and hopefully the shipwreck itself.